In order to count stitches, you'll first need to understand what they look like. Here we have double crochets going across. Over here we have double crochets again, but they're going around in a granny square. You can actually see the double crochets separate if you pull them apart, and they're made up of these little posts. Likewise, if we take the granny square, you can see them when you pull them apart. Another way to count your stitches is actually looking at the top of your stitch. At the top of your stitch, there's actually these little V's, braids, or chains, whichever way you see it. These all indicate one stitch. Now we're going to count 4 random stitches in both ways. We're going to start right here. This is 1 double crochet, this is 2 double crochets, this is 3 double crochets, and this is 4 double crochets. Do the next way using the looking at the top of the stitch method. We're going to start right here. This is 1 double crochet, this is 2 double crochets, this is 3 double crochets, and this is 4 double crochets. And that's how you count your stitches.